From under the front bumper, we're going to go ahead and remove this panel right here. We essentially just want to take out the mounting bolts for it, so we can go ahead and pull it away. That way there we have access inside here. Now we can pull this away, and of course you can hold it back with whatever you've got. Now that we have that out of the way, we have a nice clear view of this area here. I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect the wiring so I can get it out of the way. There's a little tab on this side and one right over there. Just go ahead and pull them away and draw this down. If you wanted to, you could also disconnect this just to give yourself a little bit more access. Set that aside. Now that we have the wiring off of there, we're going to come along to these tabs right here, these little chrome tabs. You can just carefully pry in between these, and then it'll start separating it. All right. Let's go ahead and take this. We'll turn it over, and from the back side, we're going to start disconnecting these clips. To do that, I want to carefully just get in between this area here. I'm going to try to separate it, and then once it's separated, we'll just try to press this down. There's one. All right, now that we removed all 5 tabs, we can slide that right out of the way. Now let's go ahead and put down our chrome bezel here, and then we're going to take this piece and we're going to get ready to line it up. I like to start with this one right here, get it in where it belongs. Now we can turn this over and then press in all of the tabs. There we are. Once you have all of your clips latched in, let's go ahead and install this into the car. Line it up and press it in. All right, we've got that pressed in. Just come along back and you just want to make sure all of your tabs are pressed in. After that, let's go ahead and start reconnecting the wiring. There's one. Give them both a tug. Start on all of your bolts before you snug any of them up. Now that they're all snug, let's snug them up. All you have left to do now is just go ahead and test out your fog lamp.